Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into an exciting deep learning project. Have you ever wondered how to create stunning, realistic images just from a simple text description? Well, today we're going to do exactly that using Stable Diffusion, a powerful text-to-image generator from stablediffusion. Let's start and dive into the code to see how we can generate an image from a text description using Stable Diffusion. For GPU usage, I prefer to work on Kaggle, and I'm using a T4 GPU. First, we need to install a few important libraries. We're going to install diffusers, which gives us access to the diffusion models, along with a few other useful tools like invisible watermark, transformers, accelerate, and save tensors. These will help optimize and secure the model loading process and speed up the performance. First, we're importing the necessary libraries. We're using the diffusion pipeline from the diffusers library, which is basically the main tool for loading and working with our pre-trained model. Then we import Torch, which is the deep learning framework that will help us run this model efficiently on the GPU. Now, let's jump into the cool part of the code. Next, we'll load the Stable Diffusion model. In this case, we're using the Stable Diffusion XL base 1.0 version, which is known for generating high-quality images from text. To make this model run faster and use less memory, we're setting it to FP16, or half precision mode using torch.float16. Here, we're loading the model onto the GPU with pipe.2 CUDA. This step is crucial because GPUs can handle these kinds of deep learning tasks much faster than CPUs, allowing us to generate images in a reasonable amount of time. Now, let's get to the fun part, actually generating the image. All we need to do is provide a text prompt that describes the image we want. For example, of Horizon, a panda playing the piano on a stage with bright lights. Stable Diffusion will take this prompt, interpret it, and generate an image that fits the description. After that, we call the model like this. The pipe object processes the prompt and generates the image, which we store in the variable images, and we're grabbing the first image in the generated result, which is what we'll use. Finally, we need to save this image so we can view or use it later. I'm saving it as photo.png in my working directory on Kaggle. And that's it. Just like that, we've generated a completely unique image from a simple text prompt using the power of deep learning and stable diffusion. Now let's take a look at the result. And there you have it. We've just generated a completely unique image from text using deep learning and stable diffusion. This powerful tool opens up endless possibilities for creating art, visualizing ideas, and much more, all with the simple power of words. Whether you're experimenting with different prompts or integrating it into a bigger project, I hope this video gave you a solid introduction to how text-to-image generation works and how you can use it yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and deep learning tutorials. Feel free to drop your questions or any cool prompts ideas in the comments below. I'd love to see what you create with this model. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.